Chapter number 5, Decimal Fraction. Practice set number 17, Word Problem. Let us see the first example. A road is 4 km 800 meter long. If trees planted on both each side at interval of 9.6 meter, how many trees were planted? A road is of 4 km 800 meter. Convert kilometer into meter. 4 km is equal to 4 into 1000, that is 4000 meter. So 4 km 800 meter is equal to 4000 plus 800 is equal to 4800 meter. Now we will divide it by 9.6 as trees has to be planted at the interval of 9.6 meter. Therefore 4800 divided by 9.6 is equal to 4800 divided by 96 upon 10. 4800 into 10 upon 96. 48 ones are 48, 48 twos are 96, it becomes 100. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So 100 into 5 is equal to 500. Therefore 500 trees were planted on one side, but we will add one more tree of the starting. Therefore 500 plus 1, 501 trees were planted on one side. Therefore total trees planted on both the side of the trees of the road is 501 into 2 is equal to 1002 trees. Example number 2. Pradnya exercise regularly by walking along a circular path on field. If she walks a distance of 3.825 km in 9 rounds of the path, how much does she walk in one round? So solution: Pradnya covered 3.825 km in 9 rounds. Therefore, in one round, she will cover 3.825 divided by 9. So we have to convert this decimal fraction into common one. Here we have 3 decimal places. So therefore, we will ignore the point and we will write 1000 in the denominator. So 3825 upon 1000 divided by 9 upon 1 is equal to 3825 upon 1000 into 1 upon 9. Now 9 ones are 9 and 9 425s are 3825. So answer is 425 upon 100. So here we have a 2 0, that is 100 in the denominator. So we will convert this into decimal fraction. It will become 0.25. Therefore Pradnya walks 0.425 km in one round. Example number 3. Selena has 43.25 meter of cloth. She wanted to make 5 curtains of equal size. How much cloth will be needed to make one curtain? Solution: Selena has 43.25 meter of cloth. Curtain to be made 5. Therefore cloth needed for one curtain is equal to 43.25 divided by 5. So 43.25 divided by 5 is equal to 4325 upon 100. So here decimal fraction has been converted into common fraction. Divided by 5 upon 1. 4325 upon 100 into 1 upon 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 865s are 4325. So it is equal to 865 upon 100. Let's convert this into decimal fraction, is equal to 8.65. Therefore cloth needed to make one curtain is 8.65 meter. Example number 4. Aisha had 4.8 meter cloth at rupees 725.40. What is the cost of 1 meter of cloth? Solution: Aisha bought 4.8 meter for rupees 722.40. Therefore the cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to 722.40 divided by 4.80 is equal to 72,240 divided by 100 divided by 480 upon 100. So 72,240 upon 100 into 100 upon 480. So let's cancel this 100 first. Then this 0 is cancelled by this. Now you will use the table number of 12. 12 4s are 48. 12 6s are 72. Then we have 24. We'll put 0 in between. So 12 2s are 24. Now answer is 602 upon 4. So 602 upon 4. Now 2 2s are 4. 2 3 are 6. 0 and 2 1s are 2. 301 upon 2. Now we will make this 2 as 10. So we will multiply this by 5. So 301 into 5 and 2 into 5. 301 multiplied by 5 is equal to 1505 and 2 5s are 10. Here we got 10 as a denominator. So we will put 1 decimal place. So it becomes 150.5. Therefore the cost of 1 meter of cloth Aisha bought is equal to rupees 150.5.